Last Monday, I took a day off because there was no school for my kids. All I was planning was just relax the day, spend some time with the kids, and visit the Western Area Toastmasters in the evening. But around 6:30, I got a call from my friend. He just asked me to look into one of the issue in the computer, like one of the problem. So I opened my laptop and I started working on it. By the time I finished it, it's 7:50. And I know I live in Miramar, I know I cannot come here by 7:30. Then I thought, I was a little bit upset on me, because I thought that I'll be coming here. And I know whenever we visit here, it's not only about learning, but we learn a lot of other things also. People, what they talk about themselves and what the culture, different cultures. So I was a little upset. And even the task is not that important. Even I can do the task later in the day also. So, I think this kind of scenario might have happened to most of you also. So, to resolve this, I was proposing a solution. Okay, because the technology and everything improved, why can't I see what is happening through a remote login? What is happening in the Toastmasters through a remote login? So I was planning, okay, why can't we have an app, a smartphone app, which is built with the state-of-art technology, and which improves the way we do our business, and which changes the way we do our meeting every day. So basically, the app will be something like a smart app which can be used by a phone or an iPad, and where once somebody want to enroll, they can enroll it easily, whatever the agenda they have, whatever they want to enroll it, and we can take away the paper agenda also, because everything will be online and people can just watch their agenda on the phone, and they can see, and it will be so easy also. People in the last minute, the Toastmaster has no need to follow what's going on, so that people, whatever their available roles, they can enroll into that roles. And it can also have whatever the features right now what we have on the Toastmasters website. On the Toastmasters website, we have the members profile, the resources, the latest whatever the events we had, and some previous videos. So we can keep all those information also in that app. And it's not only an app on the smartphone, but it can be made so smart, the way we do the business can change. For example, now whenever the speaker is speaking, I know we are all submitting a feedback in a paper and giving everyone. So instead of that, you can send a message. So depending on the role, what you are, it comes to you. And the vote counter, also, even the people who are watching remotely, they can also vote for them. No need to send the ballots. Okay? So the vote counter, it's easy for them to who got votes, how many they got votes. So, and even the secretary, whoever does the writing of this, what happened to our meeting minutes, once they do that meeting minutes, we can store that information, so that any speaker, whenever they are going to give the next speech, they can see what they did last time, and they can see what are the evaluations they got last time, and they can, based on that one, they speak better next time. So they can easily view what happened to my speeches last time and what are the evaluations I have. Okay. And another thing is, for example, like if you take a counter, I know. And this smartphone will have a different, like when you have your cell phone, you have different themes. What kind of sound you want to choose? So basically, they can choose the same kind of. And what else? The table topics master. Especially, even when I visited. Last time I was in the club, I was there for 6 to 7 months. Nobody called me for the table topics. I was a little upset, and I don't know how to approach also. So now this smartphone app, what we'll do is the table topics master. Based on this history, like who attended, it automatically calls them. And it helps them to choose the members who presented, who are in the present in the meeting, and it helps them to choose. Okay? And it's even for the timer also, there will be little green and yellow buttons, so they don't need to concentrate on the time, they can watch everything, just it blinks for them so that they can switch on the thing. So I am very excited to introduce this new app, which sure is going to change the way that we do the meeting, and I'm definitely say that one, that it completes our mission of the club. It mutually supports and creates a learning environment to have an opportunity for everyone to improve or develop their communication and leadership skills.